In this video, we will cover use of the silicone pressure roller. The silicone pressure roller is a 40 mm wide, single-arm pressure roller. The wheel portion utilizes ball bearings. It is used in conjunction with handheld heat sealers to create heat-bonded seals on vinyl fabrics. When moving the heat sealer toward yourself, grasp the silicone roller with the wheel edge down and use a pulling motion to apply pressure. While heat sealing away from yourself, the roller can be grasped with the wheel edge exiting near the thumb, pressing the roller forward. For more information or to order online, visit gettent.com.